Hi, I'm Rachel from Jangling Jack up here in King's Cross. We've just currently created a brand new cocktail menu, so I'm going to take you through a couple of the drinks that we are showing here at the moment, and I'll give you the recipes and the how to make them. So I'm going to start with our Curious Martini, which is a really cool, fun twist on a classic dirty martini. So for that, we're going to start with some gin. I'm going to use 50 milliliters. I'm currently using Tanqueray gin, but any London Dry will do. So I'm going to pop that into a mixing glass because martinis are really delicate drinks. So we're just going to stir it, chill, and slightly dilute it. Then next important ingredient in a martini is vermouth. So Nolly Pratt is your classic, but I'm going to go Australian and use some Regal Rogue. And just a little 10 milliliters of that in with the gin is going to bring out some really nice floral notes in there. And then for the part that's going to make it curious is with a dirty martini, classically you pop olive brine in with your gin and your vermouth to give it a really savory, salty, delicious flavor. So all the rage at the minute is fermenting. So we have fermented some raspberries really simply. You can do it in a glass jar, in a plastic tub, in a backpack bag with some salt, and then from that you get this really beautiful salty berry brine. So from the raspberries, that makes it nice and tart, little touch sweet, and you get the saltiness from the ferment. As you can see, it's got an absolutely wonderful shade of pink, which is going to make it look even better. So we're going to fill this all the way up to the top with ice and give it a real gentle stir. This is specific cocktail equipment that I'm using, a mixing glass and a bar spoon. However, if you don't have those, you can use a big pint glass, a normal measuring jug at home, use a teaspoon, a dessert spoon. You know, it doesn't have to be specific equipment. And we're just going to give it a nice delicate stir, and you can see the glass has started to frost. You can feel it's cold to the touch. And I've got a glass that's been in the fridge here, and that's going to keep our martini nice and cold. And then we're going to strain it so that we don't get any of that ice in our drink in like this. And you can see it's got a beautiful, rich pink color. And then just to finish off, I've got a little fresh raspberry here that we're going to pop in like that. And that is your Curious Martini.